my wasabis, this is Jerby from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will show you a quick and easy recipe on how to make your own DIY face mask. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. Okay, in today's recipe, you will need a glass bowl and some plastic measuring spoons, your Indian healing clay or any bentonite clay. I got mine from Healthy Options. Some honey. You'll also have to have your water. This is just 100 ml. And your choice of essential oil. So for today, I will be using my Young Living Tea Tree Essential Oil and some geranium oil. I will list down in the description box all the oils that you can choose from. You can actually pick your own or make your own combinations of essential oils depending on your skin type. So for today, I'm trying to treat my acne because I've been having some things going on up here for quite a while now. That's why I am using my tea tree oil. Before I forget, you also have to have your apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to choose a brand na merong with the mother. When you say with the mother, nandun yung mga sediments at the bottom of the bottle. So when you go to your grocery store, pick the one na merong with the mother kasi meron siyang mga sediments. Why is it important? It is where dito sa sediments yung mga where all the benefits are. So it's very important. You pick the one with the mother. Meron din ibang brand na organic and raw and unfiltered, but I always choose this brand because this is actually the best. This also runs out. It smells really bad, but this one also runs out pretty fast in most groceries. Hino-hoard ng mga tao to. Okay, so let's get started. So for today, we are using our Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This is actually a bentonite clay. It doesn't smell anything. This is one of the best sellers in Healthy Options. When using your bentonite clay, it's important that you use non-metal things to mix it with. So that's why I'm using a glass bowl and a plastic spoon. Because the bentonite clay tends to react with the metal. That's why it's very important not to use any metal parts like spoons or bowls in doing this mask. So you just have to have 1 tablespoon of that. And then you will be needing a tablespoon of your honey. So just mix that with your bentonite clay. Honey is really great for the skin. So you can be generous with your honey. You will need a teaspoon of your apple cider vinegar. You can actually use a tablespoon, pero since we have many other ingredients in here, let's just use a teaspoon. But in the label of your Aztec bentonite clay, you would see na 1:1 ratio ng Aztec bentonite clay with your apple cider vinegar. And so it starts to fizz na. While it's fizzing, you can actually mix it together. And that's where your water will come in kasi you will add your water according to your preference ng texture. So ngayon medyo pasty siya. It's really very hard. Add a little more water. If you add too much, it can get a little runny. So dapat paunti-unti lang din yung add ng water. And it's looking good now. But before you slather this on your face, don't forget to add in your essential oils. Now we are using plastic measuring spoons. Once we add our oils, di mo na siya pwedeng gamitin. So let me just add 2 or 3 drops of my Young Living Tea Tree Oil. Okay. And then I will also add a little geranium. This recipe is 1, 2, 3. This recipe is great for acne prone skin. That's why we're using tea tree. If you want to treat other things, I will list down below the other oils that you can use. And just use your finger to mix everything. And then you can start slathering this on your face. Instead of water, you can also use apple cider vinegar na lang. But if you don't like the smell of your apple cider, just use 1 teaspoon. You can put some down your neck because It's still an extension of your face. What's great about this mask is that you can really feel it working as it dries on your skin. So that's what actually this is known for. Nagtathrob siya on your face. So while it's drying, like right now, you can feel it pulsating on your skin. And it actually helps absorb all the deep-seated gunk on your skin. So, kaya niyang i-absorb palabas. And every time I use this, every time I do this mask, I really feel that my nose is a lot thinner, the pores are a lot tighter, it's a lot smaller. And now that we have added tea tree and geranium, you know, it works better in combating those acne that has been going on up here. Okay guys, so we're actually 20 minutes down the timer. Pero medyo basa pa siya, as you can see. So, let me just wait another 10 minutes. So, we are actually having this stayed on my face for 30 minutes. But it's okay. It's still pulsating. Not that strong anymore, but it's still there. I just stood in front of the air conditioner in the last 10 minutes. Nakita nyo, basa pa rin siya. But yun na yun dito! Yay! And I don't have the patience to wait for it anymore. You can wait if you're trying to do this at home. Maybe you can leave it on for an hour. Pero wala na yung pulsating sensation niya. So I think it's okay na to remove. It's a little tight down here sa may laugh line ko. So let me just... Oh, matigas na siya. Let me just remove it na with my face halo. You can also wash this off with running water, but for the purposes of this video, tatanggalin ko siya sa harap niyo. You can really smell the essential oils from this mixture. Since these oils are directly absorbed by your skin, it's very important for you to use a brand that's really trusted and 100% pure. Kasi if not, baka instead of nourishing your skin, magka-allergy pa kayo or mapasama pa. Also, don't forget to do a patch test every time you're using your essential oil, especially if it's for the first time, because there are oils that would trigger allergic reactions. For example, ako, I'm quite allergic to tea tree oil, to be honest, but pag ganito siya, diluted na, hindi na. I tried using tea tree oil ng pure or neat or without halo, undiluted. Nagka-hives ako. So, yan. It's kind of a warning for me that never to use tea tree oil as is. That I have to mix it with something. Or dapat diluted siya. Like for this entire mixture, for this entire mask, I only had what, 2 or 3 tea tree oil? Pero amoy na amoy siya. If you try to do this at home, you'll feel the same way. Okay, so far I feel refreshed. For some reason, refreshing siya sa skin. It has a little cooling sensation. Let me just pull in the camera closely. See, ito yung mga little acne spots ko that I'm trying to treat right now. That's why we're using tea tree. Tea tree oil is antibacterial, anti-fungal. It's really great for your skin. That's why Body Shop also has a line of tea tree oil. I'm sure most of us got acquainted with tea tree oil because of Body Shop. But now, you can make your own tea tree facial mask. And you can make it ng walang preservatives because it's just pure bentonite and your tea tree oil and your apple cider vinegar and your honey. Very skin friendly, it's homemade. You're sure na walang harsh chemicals going in on your skin. And there you go. So let me just fix myself up and just wrap it up, okay? Okay, so I just removed all of the face mask and I put on a little makeup. My skin feels really firm right now, parang super rejuvenated, super tight. I really love it. As you can see, it's very quick, it's very easy. It's your at-home facial session with your favorite essential oils. But before I end this video, I would like to invite you to join my March 18 workshop at Bread, Broth and Beyond in Mandaluyong. I'll put the poster up here. You can still register. There are still a few slots to be filled. The registration closes on the 12th, so don't forget to share it to your friends, invite your friends if they would like to come, and I'd hope to see you there. By the way, the first 20 registrants will get to have a bottle of this amazing Moroccan argan oil. This is worth 1,299. So if you register for 550 pesos, super sulit na siya. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!